Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Oppo Reno 12F. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. And here you can click on this button to skip introduction. Then you can click Not Now and then click Open Permissions. Now click on AI Assistant and here you can allow this app to display over other apps and go back. Now go back again and click Start. And as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.